Hello, sweet love, and welcome. I invite you to find a comfortable position if you haven't done so yet, and to softly start tapping on the side of your hand. And whenever you're ready, taking 3 deep in and out breaths here. In through the nose, and exhale out through the mouth. 2 more at your own pace. Feel free to change any words I say if there is something that resonates more with you. Otherwise, repeating me out loud or silently. If it feels good for you, you can also close your eyes. Otherwise, keeping a soft gazing point. Continuing to tap on the side of your hand. Right here and right now, I choose to call in positive energy because I am ready to raise my vibration. Right here and right now, I choose to call in positive energy because I am ready to raise my vibration. Right here and right now, I choose to call in positive energy because I am ready to raise my vibration. I call in positive energy. Now gently tapping on the top of your head, I call in positive energy. Eyebrow point, I call in positive energy. Side of your eyes, I call in positive energy. Under your eyes, I choose to raise my vibration. Under the nose, I choose to raise my vibration. Under your mouth, I choose to raise my vibration. Just below your collarbones, I choose to be fully energized today. Under your armpit, like a golden sun radiating from the inside out. Back to the top of your head. Today I choose to feel so energized. Eyebrow point, like a flower blooming open. Side of the eyes, I am ready to be seen. Under your eyes, and share my light. Under your nose, right here and right now, I call in positive energy. Under your mouth, I call in positive energy. Just below your collarbones, I choose to raise my vibration. Under your armpit, how high can it go? Top of the head, how much energy can I call in? Eyebrow point, how much love and light can I share today? Side of your eyes, I call in all this beautiful energy. Under your eyes, and I commit to sharing it with the world around me. Under your nose, because I know and believe. Under your mouth, that this loving light will ripple back to me. Just below your collarbones, I call in joy today. Under your armpit, I call in love today. Now on the top of your hand between your ring and pinky finger, I choose to call all the positive energy in today. And I choose to use it for the highest good. May I spread these rays of sunshine all around me. And softly stop tapping. Resting your hands on your heart, taking 3 deep in and out breaths here. Breathing in all this life force energy and exhaling joy in all directions. Have a wonderful rest of your day, sweet love. And it would make our day if you'd like to share this practice with a loved one, spreading these rays of sunshine. Perhaps even giving us a little like and comment, because you make such a difference. Much love, and tap with you soon.